Okay, today I'm going to show you how to lubricate your electric fans, because electric fans were made without any provisions of putting additional lubricating oils in case they dry out. The problem with this electric fan is that if you're going to turn it on, see, it just moves slightly. You will have to push it to make it start working. So basically that is a sign of a poor lubrication, and we don't want to do that, pushing it every time we're going to use it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a hole in here at the front and another one hole at the back. That is where we are going to put the lubricating oils. So we'll have to drill that part of the fan to make a hole in it. Okay, let's drill some hole in it. I hope you can see that hole. We'll make it a little bigger later. And another one in here. Okay, can you see it? Can you see the second hole and the first hole? Okay, we'll make that bigger. Now we're just going to mix a little bit of this all multi-purpose grease and a little bit of this all-purpose oil that would act as lubricant to our electric fan motor. Just use a few centimeters or a few ml, maybe a few ml. Then let's just mix it. Let's mix them together. Let's add some more oil. Then let's try to use this syringe. Then let's put it. Or should we add more? I think it's too small. Let's put it. Probably won't work at once because the lubricant hasn't, spread all over the shafting. But over time, it should.